week, I wish it would rain more, don't you? We called one sound on a beat ta and two sounds ta-di. And this is how we write it in music. We use what we call traditional notation, and it looks like this, ta and tadi. When we put it together to say rain, rain, go away, we're going to do it like this. Let's read it. Here we go, ta, ta, ta-di, ta. Let's do the entire song. Here we go, ta, ta, ta-di, ta, ta-di, 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 ta. That is too easy. Let's look at another one. Here we go, ta, ta, ta-di, ta, ta-di, 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 ta, ta-di, 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 ta, 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 ta-di, ta. Can you guess what song that is? Queen, Queen, Caroline. Okay, good, she's not here. Let's keep going. Washed her hair in turpentine, turpentine to make it shine. Queen, Queen, Caroline. Okay, that one is too easy. Also, let's look at another one. Here we go. Toddy, 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 ta. Toddy, 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 ta. Toddy, 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 ta. Toddy, 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 ta. What song do you think that is? It's missing one phrase. It's engine, engine number 9. Engine, engine number 9. Going down Chicago line. If the train should jump the track, do I get my money back? And if we wanted to add yes, no, maybe so, we'd have to add another ta, ta, ta-di, ta. Let's do one more. Here we go. Ta-di, ta, ta-di, ta, ta-di, 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 ta, ta-di, 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 ta, ta-di, 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 ta. That one was a little trickier because it started with a ta-di, ta instead of a ta-ta-ta-di-ta or a ta-di-ta-di-ta-di-ta. What song? Apple tree, will your apple fall on me? I won't cry and I won't shout if your apple knocks me out. Let's sing it on our new rhythm syllables, ta and toddy. Here we go, toddy, ta, toddy, ta, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, 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 ta, toddy, 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 ta. So once again, just to review, we call one sound on a beat a ta. And the real name for ta in music is called a quarter note. It's one quarter note. Two sounds on a beat is called ta-di. And the real fancy name in music is called 2/8 notes. So we have one quarter note or a ta, 2/8 notes or ta-di.